Hi, I'm Nolan, the sales director here at Acculevel. You may be asking yourself, if we go through and we go to support and to fix these sagging floors, will this cause more cracks? Will this cause drywall cracks? In this video, we're going to talk about that exact thing. So when we're going in to support or lift back up sagging floors, drywall cracks are always a major thing that we are sure to talk about with you as a homeowner. These are things to expect. The reason that this is most of the time at some point, whether it's you as the homeowner now, a previous homeowner, you've patched cracks that's shown up because the floor sagged without you realizing maybe what the problem really was. So when we're going in there to put that steel I-beam or those jacks to really support and to lift that subfloor, what you're gonna see is all those cracks that's been fixed over the years are all gonna come back if lifting is our goal. The simple way to get around this is we can go in and just stabilize it right where it's at. That's a way to make sure that your flooring, your drywall cracks, or anything else does not get damaged in the attempt to push that back up. But in general, if you're looking to try to get that floor back up at some capacity, usually some sort of drywall cracks are definitely to be expected. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped answer the question that if we go and fix your sagging floors, will you get drywall cracks? To learn more, click the link in the description and be sure to like and subscribe.